you're experiencing issues with your PUBG account sync, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you disable the sync feature and regain access to your account. Step 1. Open PUBG settings. Launch the PUBG game on your device and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the gear icon, usually located in the main menu. Step 2. Access account settings. In the settings menu, find the account or linked account section. This is where you can manage your account connections and sync options. Step 3. Disable account sync. Locate the option for account synchronization. This may be labeled as sync with Facebook, sync with Google, or similar. Toggle the setting to disable account sync. Step 4. Confirm changes. After disabling the sync option, you may be prompted to confirm your changes. Make sure to accept any confirmation messages to ensure the sync is fully disabled. Step 5. Restart the game. Close the PUBG game completely and restart it. This step is important to ensure that the changes take effect and to check if the sync issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the account sync issue in PUBG. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PUBG support for further assistance.